So, so again, before we get on started with this actual review, I would be actually briefly telling you guys on when at which I started first started collecting or or started my like or engagement with together with these beauties right here, which are the Disney Cars merchandise. First of all, back in my childhood, they used to collect Thomas and Friends. So that's pretty much it. All you guys may know, Thomas and Friends started in the early 80s, I guess, by starting on like its early episodes, like by 1984 or so. Like, Thomas, Percy, and all of his friends. I used to have like almost completed or halfway of completing of each era of it. Not actually entirely eras, but the actual collections. Like for example, the wooden collection, take along slash take and play, which they call it now. Then they move on to the disgusting Thomas and Friends Adventures, which they replaced those magnets that we all know and love. Which that's pretty disgusting and quite disappointing. And then Trackmaster, which I'm not that much of a fan of. So yeah. I don't know what's the main reason. And then Trackmaster 2, they changed also the track of Thomas and Friends, I meant, from this like from the like old brown looking track piece to a gray track. I mean, from the old brown brown track pieces that we all know and love, and now to the dark grayish type of track pieces that we all know. And then Chuggington also same type of deal, which they also have like the diecast sort of collection, and then the wooden collection, and sort of like these talking engines, which are like sort of like the Trackmaster era of Thomas and Friends, which these are like those talking type of engines. But yeah. And then moving on to cars, and then I just realized at the almost very end of me collecting Thomas and Friends, I just realized it's nearly the end of my streak, I guess I must say, of collecting Thomas and Friends, because there are no more new trains or characters for me to find or to collect, I suppose, and stores, so I moved on to cars. Once at first, my parents thought that like luckily, like there were like when I first started this collection, they thought actually personally, like they actually personally thought that there were like, for example, like my grandma thought like, oh, thank God, for example, like there were only like few cars, and then in order for me to complete this collection, and then I'm done. Then my mom, to prove her wrong, then she said, "No, that's not all it. There's actually more than actually 100 of these." Then she said, "What? Like it's impossible." So yeah. So that's actually pretty nice story of it on how I started in collecting cars. And then as I was collecting cars, I ran into this specific YouTube channel named Blue Collection or Blue Toys, which he also reviews Disney Pixar Cars content, such as all the starting from all the way from from the first movie that came out, obviously, from 2006. And uh, then all the way to the second movie, to Disney Pixar's Cars Toons 2010. Not to mention some cancellations in between those. After Cars 1, they nearly completely released all of the haulers, but they end up canceling some, even some cars, right before like the era of Cars Toons. Cars Toons, yeah. Disney Pixar's Cars Toons, or aka Mater's Tall Tales. And then, after that, Cars 2, once again, they canceled few other cars in this collection, which are like some very decent and nice cartoon characters type cars, like for example Kabuto with Flames, which was cancelled 2010, which was the year they released the Disney Pixar cartoons or Mater's Tall Tales. Then right after that, after cartoons, they canceled the cancellation as it continues, like all the way like from, for example, like the Tacoman Crew Chief, uh the Fiberfield Crew Chief, which are supposedly to be released to back then 2019, which were cut. I'm actually losing my mind, sort of, and like losing count over the years of cancellation of in terms of Disney Pixar Cars diecast. But actually, this year, 2025, surprisingly, in leaks of the 2025 Cars poster, which most people said like it was disappointing, but very nice to see the uncancellation and long awaited of the Tacoman Crew Chief, which was named Mandy, Bender, and the Fiberfield Crew Chief, uh forgot forgot her name. It's actually a female. So like there was like some copy paste type of image of her card, which was like resembling like the Tacoman Crew Chief's art, which was Mandy Benders. So yeah, excuse me. So anyways, back on to the actual video. So sorry for the quite long introduction. So today in this video, I'll be reviewing none other than, which is a 2023 release of a 2-pack from Cars on the Road. As you can see right there, new for 2023 from Disney Pixar's Cars on the Road. As you can see, it's Claire Gunzer and Holly Maines. So let's take a look at them up close. As you may see, like the package is all bent and stuff. Like on whoever like wrapped this and whoever gave this to my. So also, by the way, this is also one of my cards from my Christmas haul most recently. No wonder so bent. The package is all bent and stuff. As you can see right there, it's not like in perfect condition. I mean, it's ready to be opened anyways. I mean, I don't even mind getting a second one to keep in a package, because I'm not that kind of a person that keeps cards in packages. Aren't like those adult collectors out there. As you can see right there, new for 2023 with a little TV again, small TV, which the last ever time that they used that, first they started to 2022, then move on to 2023, then which did not last too long. As you can see right there, Disney Pixar's Cars on the Road. Very nice image of them. Claire Gunzer and Hall Emaine. Hall Emaines. As you can see right there. Which we would be getting on to it. Which I'm not. By the way, this is a. Before I open this up, actually, this Claire Gunzer is actually a variant compared to his, like, compared to her, like, single release, which was like the hard plastic mirrors. Then this one is like the more rubbery type of mirrors in this like 2-pack. Not to mention, like, which, as reference to Mr. Docket, thanks a lot for like mentioning it to us collectors, for him noticing the differences right away. Also shows the classic Cars on the Road map in the package. Here's the Hall Emaines Pity, showing this metallic turquoise color, which I like the most out of this Pity. I've been also dying to get this pack for quite a long time now. And here's the back. As seen on Disney Pixar's Cars on the Road, we already all know that. Some other characters on the back that you can actually collect. As you can see right there. Some other packs. 4 other packs which I still don't have, which we have is Lightning McQueen Deputy Hazard with Balacadaver. Oh no, I'm blanking out again. Chief this and oh yeah, Jeremy and Chief this pack, which also Jeremy was also released as a single last 2023. Lisa and Louise was only released once, which is also quite a rare pack. And Kirsten Marshall, Kirsten Marshall and Mark Sontheimer, which was not even released as a single. Not to be confused, by the way, with Byron Crushford, which was released 2024, which was last year, which I really truly wish. I got these two confused. I thought they're actually the same character. I thought he finally had his very first single release after his first release back then, 2023, along with the 2-pack with Kirsten Marshall. So yeah. So anyways, alongside of that, let's bust these two open. Uh-oh. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh dear. Whoa. There we go. Get guys out of there. Oh, whoa. There you go. That was a bit of a struggle. First of all, let's start off with Claire Gunzer. As I mentioned earlier, this is actually a variant of her with like the plastic rubbery type of mirrors. Rubbery plastic mirrors, which are made of soft rubber, which is different from the single release, which which the mirrors from the single release are actually hard plastic. Dang it, I don't have a card to compare this one to. Probably I can say like quite a similar model to Minnie. You know, the wife of Van. The like clown lipstick and stuff. So I mean no, that's her like clown lipstick, red clown lipstick. That pink swirly swirl. So which means these are actually I guess like the females from the ring, circus ring, and then the polka dots. I know these type of cars like the pink swirly polka dot type of cars are vehicles are actually like the female cars, female clown cars from the episode. So that's that for Claire. Here's the base if you're interested. Okay. And then here's again uh definitely for me like almost the highlight pretty much of the pack, which is Holomanes, the turquoise, the metallic turquoise colored pity, which I have nothing quite to compare him to, which it kind of also only reminds me of those like piston cup pitties, which are the wide ones, such as like the ones that I only have, which are like my very first one, which was my stock car, which is the Transberry Juice pity. Very nice smiling expression though. I don't know what are those on this like forks. Some sort of metal or like little metal arms on his forks. Used to grab like some cars or something. For example, like I guess I don't know, maybe Kelly Beam Bright. I don't know. I mean, anyways, I just love the metallic turquoise color on this vehicle. I mean, on this pretty green rims. I mean, all around metallic colored. This also almost kind of remind me as a sticker. But this, I mean, it's all custom painted with no stickers, as they all say. And that's pretty much all it. Then last comparison now with the Circus Stunt Pity from that Circus Velocitas 5 pack. Circus Stunt 5 pack, whatever you want to call it. And that's pretty much it. So I guess that's all I can say for this. So I guess that's all I can say for this quick video, folks. I guess see you soon again for another video, which would be the last really the last one of which is really the last one last one cars of my birthday haul. I mean Christmas haul, which is like that, which is the Kabuto with flames and Kabuto Ninja, which is from Thailand, of course, from Thailand review. Which I guess see you soon for the I guess see you soon again for another video. So again, bye. So this is the this is the Pixar Cars fan saying peace.